Let's fill out the vocabulary sheet. So the first one 是你好。Please also write the tones on top of the alphabet that's indicated as I'm writing. 你好什么意思呢 means hello. So inside 你好, 你 by itself means you. And 好 means good. So hello literally means you good. Now below 好 is 您好. 您好 is a formal way of saying hello. It's a formal way of saying hello. And 您 is a formal way to call you. So when do you need to formally call someone or say hello to someone is when that person is an elderly, your teacher, or your boss. All right, let's continue. See next one. 同学. 同学. You want to repeat after me when you write it down as well. So it's X-U-E right here. This is E. 同学. It means students or classmates. Men. Men does not have any tone mark on top, so we'll leave it blank. Now, men is a plural indicator. So what is a plural indicator? Plural indicator, for example, if you use 你 right here, 你 right here with 们, then you got you guys, 你们 instead of just 你 you. And let's come back down here. We can see number 6, 我. 我 means I, or it could also be me. Now, back to what we were just talking about, 们 is a plural indicator. So what you can also do is to say 我们, then it becomes we or us, right? Whereas 我 only means I or me. Now let's continue with number 4. Number 4是老师. 老师. Okay, just copy down the pinyin, the pronunciation. It will help you remember what it sounds like. 老师是 teacher 的意思. 好 ，Number 5， 第5个是妈。妈 does not have any tone mark. It's a neutral tone. 妈 is what we called a question particle. Question particle. How do you use a question particle? A very quick example. We'll go in detail when we go to the sentence pattern. So the way we use question particle is, for example, when you say 你好, hello, right? But how do you? But if you add 嘛 after 你好, which becomes 你好吗, and that's how you would say how are you. Okay, so 你好 is just a greeting, but when you add 嘛 after 你好, then you got how are you, make it into a question for greeting. All right, does that make sense? I will go in detail, explain more about that. And let's continue with number 7, 很. So 很, H-E-N, third tone. 很 means very. So how do you say I'm very well? I very good. 我 Okay, so it goes back here again. 我很 and how do you say good again? Yeah, it's the 好 in 你好. So I'm very well. 我很好. Number 8. 早上好. 早上好. Or another way to say it is 早上好 both means good morning. What does 早上 mean by itself? We know 好 means good, so 早上好 means good morning. But 早上 by itself, 早上 by itself would mean would just mean morning. Okay, so this just means morning. All right, turn to the next page. And we got, let's see. The format is a little off, but I'm just going to write pinyin first and then the meaning. So, 你好吗? What does it mean again? 你好吗? Is how are you? Write it down. How are you? How are you? And in order to answer how are you, you want to say I'm very well. 我很好. So this is 我很好. Okay, so last few phrases to go through. Number 11, 再见. 在 Z-A-I, fourth tone. 再见 J-I-A-N, that is also fourth tone. 再见 means goodbye. So hopefully today, after you walk out, before you walk out of the class, you can say 再见 to Miss Xiao老师. 好，再 literally means 再 from 再见 literally means again. And what does 见 mean? 见 actually literally means see. So 再见 literally means again see. And when you say it together, it becomes goodbye. 再见. Keep going. We see number 12. Number 12 is 谢谢. 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 So 谢谢 means thank you. And it's something that you want to say to Miss Xiao a lot, 夏老师 a lot, right? Or to anybody. Okay, 谢谢. And then how would you say you're welcome? It's easy. All you need to say is 不谢. 不谢. So 不, we learn 不 in 不是, right? So 不谢 means no, thank you. Well, literally that's what it means, but it means you're welcome when put together, right? And then we got 不客气 is another way to say you're welcome. And Miss Shaw says a lot of 不客气 instead of 不谢, because I'm used to saying 不客气. So what's 不客气 again? It means you're welcome. All right, that's all for the vocabulary.